Hey guys, Chris with Jet Hot here again. Today we're in the back of the Jet Hot shop and we're going to play with a little bit of fire so I can show you exactly how our Jet Hot coatings work. Alright guys, so what we got here is the samples, and what we have is some stainless steel. A lot of headers are in stainless these days. Then we got the black ceramic rattle can, Sarah's coat type stuff. And then we have our classic polish in the middle. And so you can see if you already had the stainless headers, in this case we're sitting at about 350 degrees. If you send that to the guy down the street to put Cerakote on it or something black, you're gonna get 620, making it worse. So you've actually made the heat issue worse under your hood. But if you go to classic polish, you'll see a massive 60% reduction in radiant heat. And that's due to the property called low emissivity, which actually the surface temperature is actually about the same, but it doesn't throw off any heat. And that's actually going to keep your underhood temperatures down, your intake temperatures down, the gases in the exhaust are going to stay hotter, you're going to get more flow, which is going to result in even more horsepower and more reliability for all your other underhood components. The kicker on top of all that is going to be that it's going to look amazing and it's going to stay looking exactly the way it does for the life of the vehicle. We offer a lifetime warranty and we back it up.